Cash flow secrets for business success. Alright, let's talk about the biggest mistakes people make with cash flow, because if you fix these, you're already winning. Mistake number 1. Spending money before you have it. Example: it's like planning a luxury vacation with money you think you'll have in the future, but then your client ghosts you, your deal falls through, and now you're stuck with a non-refundable trip to Paris. Oops. Mistake number 2. Ignoring late payments. Example: if people owe you money and don't pay on time, your cash flow suffers. It's like lending money to a friend who keeps saying, "I got you next time," but next time never comes. Mistake number 3. Not having an emergency cash reserve. Example: life happens. Business slows down. Unexpected costs pop up. If you don't have a financial cushion, you're basically walking a tightrope with no safety net. Not fun. How to budget like a boss. Okay, so how do we make sure you always have cash when you need it? Let's talk about a simple but powerful cash flow budgeting system. Step 1. Track your income and expenses. Write down every dollar coming in and out. If you don't track your money will disappear faster than your ex when you need emotional support. Step 2. Separate needs versus wants. If your business is spending money on things that don't bring in profit, cut it. Do you really need that fancy office chair that massages your back? Or that overpriced software you barely use? Step 3. Set up a cash reserve. Every month, put some money aside for emergencies. Because trust me, business will hit bumps. And when it does, you want to be prepared, not panicking. How to grow your business with healthy cash flow. Now that you've got a handle on your cash flow, how do you use it to grow? Tip 1. Invest in what works. Spend money on things that make you more money. Ads, better products, better marketing. These bring ROI, not random business expenses that don't matter. Tip 2. Automate payments and collections. Set up auto billing for clients and auto payments for expenses. Less time worrying, more time making money. Tip 3. Always look ahead. Businesses that fail don't plan ahead. Always ask, what's coming next month? Next quarter? Next year? Be prepared. Listen, mastering cash flow is not just about money, it's about freedom. Imagine never stressing about bills. Imagine having enough cash to grow your dream business. Imagine living life on your terms, because your finances are strong. This is possible. And it starts with you taking control of your cash flow. So here's what I want you to do. Start tracking your cash flow today. Fix the mistakes we talked about. Budget like a boss. And I promise you'll feel more powerful, more in control, and more free than ever before. If you're ready to change your life, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. I'm taking control of my money. Let's build something great together. You got this.